I'm here at the monument to the heroes of the restoration. I'm going to take a quick tour, show you guys around. I'm here in Santiago, Dominican Republic. Let me give you guys a quick look. The view here is it's pretty nice. So there's the monument. We're gonna step up there and see. Give you guys a quick tour, see what's going on here. Of course, there's a salesman over there. He's still talking to me, even though I've already told him no. But that's okay. We're gonna act like we don't see him.
Tengo Benedicta, tengo Presidente.
I have to say, it's a hell of a view from here. You see the mountains all the way back there. There's a lot of mountains. Maybe tomorrow we'll go up there and see what the view's like. But today it's about this here, this monument here. Yeah, so we're here and I'm walking around. I'm gonna take a quick tour, full 360, and then we'll go upstairs and get up close to the building itself and see if there's any inscriptions there that we can read and see what get a little bit of background on this building, the history. Okay, so interesting fact. This is the highest building in the city. It was originally built during the dictatorship of Rafael Leonidas Trujillo in 1944 as El Monumento a la Paz de Trujillo, Trujillo's monument to peace. And he ordered its construction in his own honor. Of course he did, just like a dictator. Okay, but it is pretty impressive from up close though. Okay, let's do a back view, see what it looks like from up top here. Not bad, not bad at all. It's a good place to come get an exercise in. Okay, let's see what we have on these statues here. Okay, let's see this one here. We have Campesina Guerrillera, representación de las mujeres que apoyaron a la gesta restauradora. I hope I didn't butcher it too much. I tried. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay. We have Jose Maria Cabral. Jose Maria Cabral. 1816 to 1899. Mm-hmm. Hola. Okay.
¿Hay cerveza moreno bien fría? Cerveza y agua. Hay agua fría, agua fría.
Okay, here we have Jose Cabrera. Okay, and what we have here? We have Campesino Guerrillero. I'm not butchering this too much. I'm getting my Spanish practice. By the end of this trip, I should be able to hold a decent conversation. Okay, let's see who this is. Here we have Ramon Matias Mela, 1816 to 1864, Padre de la Patria. Yeah, the craftsmanship is pretty impressive here. Marble. You got the pillars up top. This is pretty nice architecture. Here we have, who's this here? We have Juan Pablo Duarte, 1813 to 1876, Padre de la Patria. Oh, there's more statues on the inside. The ones on the inside look like they're made of something else. Maybe bronze. Yes, maybe bronze. I guess those are the more the upper echelon of this outfit. Their statues are inside the gate, locked gate. Here we have. Okay. but definitely the craftsmanship is impressive. Now look at this view and tell me that's not impressive. Mountains to the left, you go all the way to the right, there's mountains. If we go around this building here, there's more mountains on the other side. As far as you can see, there's mountains all the way around this building. You got statues on here. Let's go see what let's see who this is. Okay. Well, Santiago Rodriguez, 1809 to 1879. Here we have Pedro Antonio Pimentel, 1830 to 1874. Okay. Let's see who's over here. Okay, here we have Jose Antonio Salcedo Pepilo. Okay, 1816 to 1864. Número uno, presidente del gobierno restaurador. Okay, so presidente, that's first president. Pedro Francisco Bono, ministro de guerra y relación exterior, governor restaurador. Also, this is the minister de guerre, minister of war, and external affairs in the governor of restoration. Okay. There is here. Be a nice place to go for a run. Let's cross through here. Let's go see those statues over there. Okay, let's see what baseball team this is. Here we have okay, if you like the nightlife, they definitely got that here too. Guess Dominican Republic got something for everyone.